Heat waves visibly radiate off this massive bronze cannon. Why did saving the world's deadliest artillery from exploding and killing its crew require warm olive oil? It is a thermodynamic paradox. The greatest threat to the Ottoman artillery wasn't the Byzantine army, it was the physics of their own weapons. Propelling half-ton stones created extreme thermodynamic stress. If the thick bronze barrels cooled too quickly, they would violently shatter. To prevent catastrophic cracking, engineers relied on a bizarre solution. They wrapped long wooden poles in thick sheepskin. After every blast, they mopped the smoking interiors with warm olive oil. This endless supply of cooking oil ensured the metal cooled slowly and evenly, but this exhausting protocol created a massive bottleneck. Orban's largest bombard was forced to a crawl. It could only achieve a maximum of 7 shots per day. The survival of the world's most terrifying artillery entirely depended on warm cooking oil.